Alright, just got home from picking up this MXZ 440. Found it on Marketplace for a pretty good deal. It's only got 1,500 miles on it. Pretty nice shape. Usually all this is rusted, but there's no rust on this thing. Let's get it offloaded and check it out. Alright, got it off the trailer. So it's the 2000 MXZ 440 fan. 1,560 miles. The guy was selling two of them, exactly the same, except the other one had like 4,500 miles. And this one was pretty nice, so figured I'd buy it and check it out. I don't think this has ever been on an open trailer. This is all like brand new. Usually this is all rusty. I think it's got brand new carbides, the guy was saying. There's no cracks in the hood. The seat's in nice shape. It's not all torn up. This rear grab bar, I don't know if that's steel or aluminum, but it's painted black. Wood in there looks nice shape. The track, no studs, which is good. Track looks nice. And then under here, there's no rust again. The shock looks new. So yeah. It does run. This carb was leaking gas from somewhere. I think this line looks pretty old. Maybe that's cracked or the float's stuck, but we didn't have any snow last winter, so every snowmobile in the state's been sitting for a while. So I gotta take a look at that and see where that's coming from. It does have a spare key that someone hung from here. And I'm gonna look in and see if I can add a tachometer, because right now it's only got the speedometer, so I'm assuming that's what these plugs are for. But the insulation's still here. It's got a keyed ignition. It's got hand warmers and thumb warmer. It's got the tether. It's got oil injection. Probably look at replacing all these oil lines too. Yeah, that's looking kind of old. But overall, it's pretty nice shape. It's got hydraulic brake, but it just needs some cleaning up, needs some maintenance, probably grease it, fuel lines. Now, let's see what kind of compression it has. I'm kind of curious. I didn't get a chance to check it there. All right, we got both plugs out. Those look pretty good. So we got our compression tester ready. Hold the throttle open. And this one's at 134, pretty good. All right, let's check the PTO. And that one's 135, so both look really good. All right, let's check this chain case oil. Yeah, it definitely needs changing. But at least the level's up there. So I'll have to empty this gas too. I don't know how long that's been in there. Get some fresh non-ethanol gas. Guy gave me a cover too, Skidoo cover. Another thing too I want to do is bleed or replace this brake fluid. A lot of snowmobiles burn down because people go to press on the brake and you know everything's all gummed up and it doesn't come back, so the brake sticks on and then lights your oil container on fire. But I'm gonna take a few minutes to shine this thing up and I'll bring it back. Alright, so a little simple green and following up with some 303. This thing really shined up. This thing looks brand new. Check it out. This foam kind of is disintegrating, but that's pretty common with something this old. Belly pan came out really nice. So yeah, got some maintenance stuff to do. The carbs, greased it up, new fuel lines. Probably flush that brake fluid out. Oh, I'm sure I'll have more videos to come on this. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.